A worn clutch can render your vehicle immovable. A clutch is a mechanical connection between your engine and the vehicle's transmission. It consists of a disc that is sandwiched between a spring-loaded pressure plate and the engine's flywheel. This assembly transfers power to the transmission to make your vehicle move forward and rearward. A clutch disc will wear out over time, so plan on replacing it. Don't wait until it affects the other components of your drivetrain. When the time does come, allow a trained automotive professional to do the job for you. This replacement will enhance the vehicle's performance and allow a smooth transfer of engine power.